What's going on, everyone? You are joining me bright and early in the GrimmSpeed warehouse lobby. So early, in fact, the sun isn't out and it won't be for a while. I'm hanging out, waiting for the rest of my crew to arrive. Owen's here, Corey's just around the corner, and Clinton is gonna be meeting us at the location we're going to. But the general idea is we are gonna be packing up our shop cars, our 22 WRX, our 20 STI. We've got winter tires on both of them, and we're gonna be heading to a local racetrack with another business that we are friends with to do a bit of filming. So I'm not gonna spoil all the details yet, but the idea is we're gonna put these cars kind of head to head, have some fun, see what they can do, get some great footage and media out of it. I think you guys are really gonna enjoy it.
Making her iced coffee even icier.
Well, as I mentioned, we were going out to a track. If you guys are familiar with the Twin Cities area, we are out at DCTC, Dakota
County Technical College. Driver Training Center.
Yeah, so it doesn't look like much now, it just looks like a frozen tundra, but on the other side of this fence is a big racetrack. And today, we get to play around on it thanks to Moto Crane. Moto Crane's a company that actually is in our old warehouse, which is ironic.
Yeah.
And they have these super cool cranes that go in the back of cars for filming movies and commercials and play dates with GrimmSpeed, apparently.
Some pretty high profile stuff.
Yeah.
Obviously us being one of them.
Exactly. So we're first to arrive. We're gonna wait it out till they get here and then form a bit of a game plan as to what we're doing today.
All right, well,
You got coffee.
I got my coffee, but before we get out on track, we forgot to get donuts this morning, so I think we need to make our own.
Heart's ready for donuts.
Oh, and I thought Subarus were supposed to be good at this sort of thing, but it looks like you're stuck.
Well, I was fine just stopping here. I didn't know I was on a sheet of ice, though.
Yeah.
Try and power out. I want to see this. It doesn't really help that we're like an inch and a half off the ground. Good thing we got a proper recovery vehicle and a proper recovery strap. Now finding a place to strap it to is going to be the challenge.
Yeah. Owen, reverse.
Well, the rest of the guys that we've been waiting for just showed up, so I'm gonna let this man introduce himself and tell us why we're out here freezing our feet off.
What's up, guys? I'm Zach from Moto Crane. We're out here today. We're testing some new equipment. We have two of our camera vehicles. We have a Porsche Cayenne Turbo, which is pretty much all stock as far as the car goes, but obviously there's some other modifications like a massive camera crane on top of it. And underneath this bag, which we're about to pull, is a big Movi XL camera package that's a stabilized gimbal that allows us to basically chase anything with a vehicle like this and a camera package like that.
And when he says anything, he means us today. That's why we have our two very capable Subarus. Never mind that we just got stuck a couple seconds ago. We should be good out on the track. The snow's a little bit thinner, but that's the idea, is we're gonna take this very expensive camera car and I want to show you guys their camera equipment versus our camera equipment. You obviously can't see the GoPro 10 that I'm filming on, but I just want to show a comparison. We're comparing cars today, right? But I also want to compare camera equipment. So what do we got?
Two GoPros.
We got a GoPro 7, a GoPro 10, an Osmo.
Osmo Pocket that's stuffed into my mitten so that it doesn't freeze.
Yes, our GoPro keeps dying because it's too cold. It's saying low battery at 80%. And these guys, they didn't bring a gun to a knife fight. They brought a cannon to a knife fight.
They put a whole airplane on the top of that car.
say. I feel like a real professional today. All right, I am ready to roll.
When the camera car becomes the tow car.
All right, well, Art and Corey spun, and so we got to go retrieve their lip because they broke it off the STI.
Sure did.
They got to stay on standby with the film crew, but we're taking the WRX out for a little bit of a joyride right now.
That was a brand new lip, wasn't it?
It's been on there for a couple of years now.
Oh, this is the, yeah. This is
The
a
carbon
brand
one.
new
No,
lip.
not this one. This one.
So break this one off too.
Yeah.
Nice initiation. Okay, Owen. I see you. Okay. Nice. I'm surprised you have to use the handbrake so much.
I'm just using it to extend out my turns because I'm initiating too early. Oh, I've had traction control on this whole time too. Where is it? There it is.
Oh yeah, you can feel the difference there.
I think I passed it.
Past the lip.
Yeah. I didn't
Does
see
it
it.
when they spun?
There's some part of it that's gonna shake. Look out over here somewhere. There it is.
Well, this one was toast anyway, so.
Yeah.
Well, there's part of it. That's not the whole thing.
They have part of it still attached to the car.
Oh, is it?
We got the lip.
It's here. It's real snowy.
As the guys from Top Gear would say, let's do a little sit rep situation report. So we're done filming on the STI as far as these guys need. They've gotten all their footage. I just want to check in on the carnage. We know the front lip's gone. That's out. We buried it in the corner over there. You guys saw pulling it out. The bumper came right back on, so we're good there. Looks like the lip is hanging a little low from hitting the snowbank on this side, but bodywork and all that is good. The snow, after all, is pretty soft here, which is awesome. Very forgiving. And Owen and Quinn are out in the 22 WRX, which I will be hopping in a second and filming on that. But this is what you get when you have stand-style cars and you just throw a winter setup on it. We knew that this would inevitably be happening. Oh well, just another casualty of war, I suppose. It's just about lunchtime, so we're kind of wrapping things up. These guys are just lining up for a team photo. We want to give a shout out to these guys right here. Zachary, right on time. Moto Crane, these guys are awesome. They let us play around in their track day, so we were kind of...
Yeah, you guys did awesome. Thank you so much for coming out.
Appreciate that.
Yeah,
I feel like the belle of the ball.
Yeah, no, you are. You absolutely are. I mean, we need a vehicle that can obviously handle, you know, surpass what we can do in terms of handling. So this was perfect for us because obviously you guys are close. You guys know what we do. We know what you guys do, and this was like a perfect partnership. And we had like the perfect weather to like be a proving grounds for this kind of thing.
This is great. I think this is the first of many little projects.
Yeah, so you might be seeing more from us. Thanks for.
I like it, man.
I
appreciate it. Thank you. Awesome, man.
Yeah. Thanks for coming out.